Hello, welcome to my channel Pencil Tip Studio. Today I'm back with another exciting video tutorial, how to mask out this wolf, from this complex background. But, before I start, please support me by subscribing my channel, so you never miss my upcoming tutorials. Now, let's get into the tutorial. I will mask out the wolf, by using pen tool. So I will select pen tool, and start creating the shape very carefully over the edge of the wolf. I will click and drag to create the shape, and I will try to go over the edge of the wolf, as close as I can. If you are beginner, then you will need too much practice to control the pen tool. And pen tool is the only tool that can help you to achieve a perfect result on masking, spatially in this kind of complex masking. Now, please follow very carefully how I'm creating the shape. Now, as you can see, I'm done with creating the shape by pen tool. Now I will select the wolf layer, and make duplicate of this layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then I will select the curve layer, and click on this selection button, to convert the curve into selection. Now I will click on this mask icon here, to mask out the wolf from the background, and press Ctrl+D, to deselect the selection. Now I will right click on the mask option on the layer, and select Refine Mask. Now I will do some adjustments on the Refine Selection panel. This adjustments depends on the image you are working on. So you must practice on it so much, so you can achieve a better result. Now I'm done with this background removing process. If this video tutorial is helpful to you, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.